YouTube automation refers to the process of creating and managing a YouTube channel with minimal hands-on involvement by automating tasks or delegating them to a team. This business model allows you to run a YouTube channel without having to create videos yourself, making it a scalable and potentially passive source of income. The idea behind YouTube automation is to build a team or use tools that handle content creation, video editing, SEO, thumbnail design, and other essential tasks. This allows channel owners to focus on the bigger picture, growing their channel and revenue while minimizing their day-to-day involvement. Key steps in YouTube automation. Niche selection. Why it matters. Choosing the right niche is critical for YouTube success. You want a topic that you're interested in or familiar with, but it also needs to have demand and monetization potential. Popular niches for automation. Top 10 lists, for example. Top 10 gadgets, movies. Educational videos, how-to guides, explainer videos. Motivational content, success stories, productivity tips. Tech reviews or news, emerging trends, new releases. Finance and investing tips for saving money, passive income ideas. Tip: use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to gauge niche popularity and competition. Content strategy. Video types. Since you're automating, focus on creating easily reproducible content formats like listicles, commentary videos, or slideshows with voiceovers. Research. Find trending topics by using tools like Vidic or Keywords Everywhere to optimize your videos for search. Outsource script writing. Hire freelancers from platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to write your video scripts. This ensures you're putting out consistent, well-researched content. Video production and editing. Voiceover artists. Outsource voiceovers to professionals if you don't want to record your own. You can find freelancers on Fiverr, Voices.com, or even AI voice tools like Descript or Murf.ai. Video editing tools. Consider using software like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, or free tools like DaVinci Resolve. Alternatively, hire editors to ensure consistency and quality. Stock footage and music. Use royalty-free stock footage and background music from websites like Storyblocks, Pexels, or Epidemic Sound to enhance your content without filming anything yourself. Thumbnail and title creation. Why it matters. Thumbnails and titles are the first things viewers see, so they need to be eye-catching and optimized for clicks. Automation options. Use Canva or Photoshop to quickly design high-quality thumbnails. AI tools like ClickMagick can analyze potential title click-through rates (CTR) and recommend improvements. Outsource. You can easily hire designers on Fiverr or Upwork who specialize in YouTube thumbnails to create consistent, on-brand designs. SEO and upload optimization. Keyword research. Use YouTube SEO tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to identify high-ranking keywords for titles, descriptions, and tags. Description and tags. Automate the upload process by creating templates for your descriptions, ensuring all videos have links to your other platforms, affiliate links, and necessary tags. End screens and cards. Pre-plan your end screens to keep users on your channel, encouraging them to watch related videos or playlists. Monetization strategies. Once your channel starts gaining traction, it's time to monetize. Here are a few ways to generate revenue. YouTube AdSense. When your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, enabling ads on your videos. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services relevant to your niche and earn a commission on sales through affiliate links. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale are popular platforms. Sponsored videos. Once your channel has a decent following, brands may approach you, or you can pitch them to create sponsored content promoting their products. Merchandise sales. Platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop can integrate with YouTube, allowing you to sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or digital products. Course or product creation. If your niche involves education or tutorials, you can create paid online courses or ebooks and promote them through your channel. Tools and resources for YouTube automation. Here are a few essential tools that can make YouTube automation more manageable and efficient. Video editing, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve. Thumbnails and design, Canva, Adobe Photoshop. SEO optimization, TubeBuddy, Vidic, Keywords Everywhere, Content Ideas. Google Trends, BootSumo, Answer the Public. Royalty-free media, Storyblocks, Epidemic Sound, Pexels. Freelancing platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. YouTube automation allows you to create a system that continues to generate revenue even when you're not directly involved. Once your channel is up and running, it can become a lucrative passive income stream. As your processes become more refined, you can replicate them across multiple channels or scale the existing one by increasing video output. Since you're not handling every task yourself, you can manage multiple projects at once. With outsourcing and automation, you have the flexibility to focus on the strategic aspects of your business. You can experiment with new content ideas, collaborations, or even new niches without being tied down to day-to-day operations. Challenges of YouTube automation. Initial investment. While automation can lead to passive income, setting it up requires an initial investment of both time and money. You may need to hire freelancers or invest in tools and software. Consistency is key. For YouTube channels to grow, consistent uploads are critical. Automation helps with this, but it still requires effective management of your team and processes. Finding quality freelancers. Not all freelancers deliver quality work, so you may need to spend time testing different contractors before finding reliable ones. Content competition. YouTube is saturated with creators, so standing out requires creative content ideas, effective SEO, and attractive thumbnails. Conclusion: YouTube automation is a powerful strategy to build a passive income stream without creating content yourself. By outsourcing content production, leveraging automation tools, and focusing on scaling, you can run a successful YouTube channel with minimal day-to-day involvement. However, it's essential to set realistic expectations, as initial setup, consistency, and content quality will determine the success of your automated channel. With the right strategy and team, YouTube automation can offer immense potential for long-term growth and revenue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And feel free to drop a comment below with any ideas or topics you'd like to see in future videos.